Hey y'all, this is Matt, and in today's video I have for you another unboxing video. That's right, we have more high rarity Labrynth unboxings. This will probably be the second. Not sure if it'll be the last. There may be a third video depending on how long it takes me to acquire these cards. But I got a new high rarity Labrynth card that came in today, and I'm very excited because I got a really nice deal on this card. So um, yeah, some of you enjoyed my last video. My unboxing videos never typically do well compared to my other videos, but alas, I do them anyway because they're fun and maybe you'll appreciate them. Anyway, so let's get into this. So this is a very reasonable package, right? It's not like a big poofy pillow wrapped in like 20 kilograms of tape. It's like a solid size package, right? So let's go ahead. We are using box cutter. Remember, kids, cut away from you, never towards you when using something like this at home. Um, and if you're not sure about your ability to do this, have some parental or adult supervision when doing it at home. All right. All right, cool. Oh, baby. Here we go. We have our very first collector's rare, Ariana, the Labyrinth Servant. That's right. Oh, I'm so happy that this ended up not being a scam and the seller actually came through because the deal I got was so good. I'm like, this is this a scam? Like it felt too good to be true. The deal the amount that what I paid for, the deal that I got for this. So I'm glad it was not too good to be true. It looks like it is indeed a collector's rare Ariana Labyrinth Servant. So let's cut into this real quick. So yeah, oh, this is beautiful. Look at this baby. Look at this. Ah, very very nice. Let me transfer it to an inner sleeve immediately. The condition on this looks amazing too. Like I do not see any curvature. Like the edges look great. So let's transfer this here. Look at this. Yeah. So don't see any damage on the back. Uh, the edges do not look worn. Yeah. See, there's almost like no curvature there. You see that? This is great. Oh, I'm so happy. Yeah. So I may hold off a little bit on getting my second collector's rare Ariana because look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, baby. All right, so I might hold off on getting my second collector's rare one because after the Photon Hypernova stuff comes out, I'm actually gonna play test one Ariana. We're at two, I know, and I told you on my other videos that two is probably the way to go, but I'm gonna see how much the second one actually comes out. I'm not, so we'll see. Maybe I will stick to two, but maybe playtesting one is the way to go. If I drop this down to one, then the Labrynth engine will be a 10 card package, right? Which sounds a lot better than 11 cards. Um, but yeah, oh man, this is such a beautiful card. Yeah, this is going straight into my deck right away. And then yeah, but yes, but the third sphere mode, I'm definitely getting Ghost Rarity upgrade. I still need to get my collector's lovely and the Starlight second Starlight ladies. We'll see if I get it. So I'm gonna this video I'm posting right here is was filmed across multiple days. So maybe the next cards you're about to see on this video will be those cards that I mentioned. So yeah, hopefully we'll see. Anyway, all right, let's get into more unboxings. All right, let's get into the next unboxing here. We have a small package, a lot of tape, of course, as expected. Let's see if we can uh, cut through this here. All right. All right. So let's go into this one. All right. See what we get. Here we go, baby. Winged Dragon of Ra, Sphere Mode, Ghost Rare. My third and final copy. So Yeah, I definitely want to pick this up before the price spiked anymore. The price did go up a little bit since the last one I bought, but I was able to find a pretty good deal, and you know, plus like I think it's only gonna go up more if I like the more longer I wait. So I just decided to pull the trigger on it because I wanted to complete the play set of the 3 ghost balls, baby. Let's go. All right, let's see this beauty right here. Oh, look at that, near mint. Let me see if there are any factory defects. None that I can see. Awesome. Hell yeah. Such a beautiful card. Yeah, you gotta tribute your opponent's field. By the way, anyone who's not playing Sphere Mode in Labrynth is actually kidding themselves. This is literally a core card. I'm running 2 of these in the main deck now. Yeah, it's like every. Oh wait, hold on a minute. Wait, the artwork looks. Is that off center? Huh. That looks like the ball is off center. I have to compare that with my other Sphere modes. But yeah, it looks a little off center. I mean, I'm not gonna complain because like you know it's not that obvious. But yeah, see how there's more empty space on this side of the card than that side of this card. So yeah, yeah, I don't know if I would. I mean, the hollowness is not off center. So like, I once pulled an ulti Winter Cherries where the hollow was off center and like it would just look awful. This one, the hollowness is right where it's supposed to be. It just seems like the artwork is like not centered. So that's interesting. I had not noticed that. Um, Even in the video, the vendor, the seller, posted, I did not notice that. But I still think this is fine. The text is centered, the hollowness is centered. But anyway, as I was saying before, yeah, yeah, this is core Labrynth card. Like, if you're not playing 3 sphere mode, like in your between your main deck and side deck, what are you even doing right now? Like, every deck puts up 3 monsters: Kashtira, Sprite, uh, Branded, and if they don't put up 3 monsters, or like if they do go a Rise Heart Pass, and you've already won anyway, so who cares? Like, this card is absolutely mandatory. Anyway, so yeah, that's an interesting little misprint, but yeah, I don't think it's that noticeable unless yeah. Anyway, all right, so let's move on. All right, next unboxing here. Let's see, we have this package. A lot of tape on it as usual. Oh, might not even need the box cutter. It looks like I'm able to do this with just my fingers. Here we go. Baby, baby, baby. Look at this beauty. The loveliest, lovely Labrynth of the Silver Castle. Ah, yes. This is exactly what I wanted. So, the one copy of Collector's Rare, Lovely Labrynth of the Silver Castle. Oh, look at that. And one copy is all you need. You don't want to brick with her in your hand, but oh man, this is so pretty. This is exactly what I wanted. Awesome. Yeah, very excited that this seller actually came through. Whenever I order like from sellers online that are not a TCG player, I always have this fear like, oh, one of these days am I gonna get scammed, right? I'm gonna open one of these and it's gonna be empty, or it's gonna be like a Pokemon card or something. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, so far so good. Very happy about this one. Ding 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 ding. You've entered the bonus round of this unboxing video. So this unboxing video was originally only for Labrynth related cards, like high rated cards, right? So you've seen all my unboxing so far. My Labrynth deck is pretty much maxed out rarity at this point. I'm not. I'm still only at 1 Starlight Lady. I'm probably not going to buy the 2nd and 3rd Starlight Ladies for a long time because, the price is skyrocketed. If you haven't heard, because ever since the YCS, was it Vegas or whatever? Yeah, people realize, oh, Labrynth is a good deck, and yeah, so the price of the Starlights are like $400 or $500 now, whereas the Starlight I bought of Lady was like $200, like the first one I got. So just to give you all a comparison of like how much it's changed. So, but anyway, but I do have here a bonus unboxing for you. We have a big package here. So what is in this one? It is Yu-Gi-Oh related, but this is something that I pre-ordered many months ago, and only recently arrived. So let me see if I can get this open here. Yeah, I think I think you viewers will be very excited, as excited about this as I am. Ooh, here we go. Dark Magician Girl game mat. That's right. I bought that. I don't know what it's called. Yeah, Dark Magician Girl deck box. Oh, look at that. Yeah, you see this? Uh huh. And a Dark Magician Girl trade binder. I guess that's what this is. Yeah, yeah. This is so pretty. Anything else in here? Oh yeah, Dark Magician Girl sleeves. 50 sleeves. And these sleeves are holographic, mind you. Like, these are some nice ass Dark Magician Girl paraphernalia for Yu-Gi-Oh. Let me see if there's anything else in this bag. Nope. All empty. Oh, look at this. Look at this beauty. Yeah, so for you Dark Magician enjoyers out there, I'm sure you'll enjoy this as much as I have. So, where to begin? Let's start with this deck box here, because yeah, the deck boxes I've been using, I feel like are just like old and like kind of run down. So yeah, maybe I'll start playing with this one now. Let's see. Yeah, so pretty decent quality. It is like kind of shiny-ish, like holographic. Ooh, look at the art on the side. This is. Hold on, let's see if this will unblur. Come on, camera. Come on, unblur. Here we go. Very pretty. Oh, I'm a big fan of this. What's inside here? We have a single divider, so I guess I'll divide like the main deck with the extra deck. So I'm curious. I have a feeling. So I double sleeve my decks for those of you who have watched my content before. So I'm very curious if I'll actually be able to fit a double sleeve deck in here with extra deck and side deck. Given my experience with deck boxes, I think the answer to that is no. Single sleeve probably, but I could just use this to store like alternative. Like, I have multiple decks built at a time, so yeah, very nice. Let's open this one here, the sleeves. Yeah, we'll need my box cutter there. Okay. Okay. So we have 50 sleeves here. These are official Konami. This is official Konami product, by the way. So, look at that beauty. See that? It's holographic. Ooh, very nice. Obviously, these are glossy, like shiny. They're not matte. I prefer matte sleeves, and I also prefer Dragon Shields. But I can definitely see myself using these. It's just super nice. Fortunately, it's only 50 sleeves. It's like my main deck is 40 cards, and my side deck is 15. So that adds up to more than 50. So that's like, honestly, these should come in packs as 60 or 70. Like, I mean, if we want an entire deck, actually, let's assume a 60 card deck. 60 cards plus 30 cards from side and extra deck, 90. So really, this should come in a pack of 100. Yeah, so say 100 for good measure. But yeah, whatever. Guess I will not be able to fully have a side deck for this, but yeah, it's pretty nice. Reasonable side sleeve. And by the way, this whole package that you see here was all relatively cheap. I think the deck box, the sleeves, all this was like 20 or 30 bucks. Very reasonably priced, I thought, because I've definitely spent more on playmats and trade binders before. So let's Dark Magician Girl 9 Pocket Duelist Portfolio. So I already have a trade binder, but ooh, this is a lot nicer one. Look at this. This is artwork. Oh, censored, of course, because, you know, TCG, right? But yeah, very pretty. Maybe I'll start using this as my trade binder. Even already have one. Holds 180. I have to check my other trade binder. It's possible that my other one holds 360. I have to check that, but you know, maybe I'm wrong. But yeah, this is quite nice. Here we go. Here we go now. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, look. Ooh, nice little. Yep. Side loaders. This is exactly looks almost identical to my current trade binder, but I swear it has half as many pages. Yeah, I'm like almost certain that my actual one holds 360 versus the 180 here. But this could be good to keep. Like I could use my other one as a trade binder. This could be like my I don't know, maybe my side deck slots, like staples. I could just put a bunch of staples in here. So if when I go to the YCS in LA, I could just have all my staples in this binder, and then just like play around with them, switch things out when I'm testing, right? Very pretty, but obviously censored artwork. Pretty cool. Now let's get into this here, the playmat, which I'm probably the most excited for, because that old that other playmat that I have, that's like the Dark Magician Girl with the Gaga Gaga Magician Girl. It's kind of old at this point. It feels like it's getting a little worn out. Maybe if I start playing Dark Magician, I start playing with this playmat. Oh baby, oh this is a nice quality playmat. Just by touching, I could tell it's high quality. Oh my God, look at this. Woo, sheesh. Look at that. It doesn't have the spell trap zones, or like I like playmats that have the zones on them, because that's just the way I am. But this is so freaking nice. God damn, yeah, I'm definitely gonna replace my Dark Magician Girl / Gaga Gaga Magician Girl playmat whenever I play Dark Magician or other decks. I'm definitely gonna play with this one from now on. Look at, oh my goodness, it has that cool like black artwork with the neon colorings. Oh yeah, this is nice. This is very very nice. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take this to Jank, to my locals. Yeah, it's funny because I went to Jank a few weeks back. I used my Labrynth playmat, but I played Umi Control, and then everyone thought I was Labrynth, and then I surprised them when I was Umi Control. Maybe I should take this, because my locals know that I like Dark Magician, that I play Dark Magician. So like, if I take this, oh, I'm gonna play against your Dark Magician, and then I whip out my Labrynth. Lol. Or I actually play my Dark Magician because I still enjoy Dark Magician, even though it's not really as good anymore. But yes, I'm so happy. This is very nice. Definitely worth the money. Like a deck box, some nice sleeves, a trade binder, all this for like 20, 30 bucks. Very good deal. Very, very good deal. 20. I paid like, I'm pretty sure for this Labrynth playmat, I paid like 20, 30 bucks just for the playmat, right? But this comes with a nice box, nice sleeves, and a trade binder. Very good deal. I think my trade binder, which has 360, can hold 360 cards. I believe that one was like, I don't know, 10, 15, which obviously is like better than this one. But then again, this came with a playmat, box, and sleeves, so can't really complain. Yeah, I'm very happy about this. I'm glad I pre-ordered this, and yeah, as soon as I saw it when I was shopping last year, I'm like, oh, I'm definitely pre-ordering this. This looks way too good and too nice to pass up. The deck box has Dark Magician Girl with her little rod on it, very cool. And then of course the official Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG logo with the Dark Magical Circle around it. Very nice. So, alright, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing video. Obviously, this was primarily a Labrynth one, but I felt that since this product arrived around the same time, I thought I'd showcase it to y'all as like a bonus thing. So there you go, bonus unboxing. Yeah, sometimes I'll have like bonus rounds and bonus segments in my videos for y'all to find neat little things in it. So anyway, hope you enjoyed. And yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.